Tēnā koutou. Hi, my name is Guy.
In Moana-nue-a-Ke, Winton School, I'm Callum. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for our upper, the 13th of May.
Okay, we start the day with Te kupu o te wiki,
which is te reo for ocean or sea, as in Te Moana-nue-a-Ke, the Pacific Ocean.
Okay, this term, Wednesday, is a library day, open from 12:40 until 1 for browsing, issues and returns.
And there are librarians ready to help, and it's nice and warm. Kia Ora.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
School choir news. All year 4 to 8 students interested in singing, please see Mr Chapman at playtime in room 11. La!
Okay, a notice about some of the grass areas around the school that are getting a bit boggy.
Please keep as clean and dry as possible at interval and lunchtime. This means thinking carefully about where you play and making wise choices in the playground. Kia ora.
High vis vest. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Okay, that's all for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S team. Ka kite popo.
Stay clean, stay dry and stay away from the mud, Winton School.